Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne first generation, year 2002 guys to 2010. Now if your car horn on the steering wheel does not work, stay with us guys and we'll show you which fuse you need to check for that. We'll also have a video that explains how to check, test horns and how to replace them. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this Porsche Cayenne, this generation. So please guys, give a thumb up, subscribe to the channel guys. Our goal to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. Now this is the car here, and more videos guys, mechanical videos could be found on our main channel, how to repair guys and world mechanics as well. Now let us show you first how the horn doesn't work. Okay, we'll turn the ignition on. Okay, listen now. Nothing. So with the plastic panel remover too guys, right there, we need to open that cap. Okay, and you have 5 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips guys. The fuses are printed on the back side, you can see, and we need to find guys fuse number, okay, in our case will be number 16. Number 16, okay, so it will be 1, 2, 3, okay, this 20 amp fuse right here. Pull it out guys, okay, blown fuse, you can see. We'll replace it with a new one. You can check out in the description of the video below, okay, where we get our fuses for a really good price. I mean, super good price. Now, we'll put our cover on and we're going to give it a test. Okay, and see what happens now. Yep, definitely works guys. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.